Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at a bathtub. If you guys are tired of holding your little one in the sink or making, trying to fill up that whole bathtub full of water and wasting all that water, then this bathtub might be the one for you. But let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at some of the features and see if it's even worth spending, the $60-$70 or whatever the price is at the moment on this bathtub when you can easily just, give your little one a bath in the sink. But let's go ahead and let's take a look at it. Okay, so the Collapsible Boon Baby Bathtub. Man, try saying that 3 times fast. Boon Baby Bathtub, Boon Baby Bathtub, Boon Baby Bathtub. Hey, not bad. So this bathtub is collapsible. That's probably like the main reason that we went ahead and we wanted to try this out, because of we're in a smaller apartment and we want to make sure that we don't have a bathtub that's taking up our entire bathtub, or we have to like hang it on the wall and it looks like some strange art piece that we're trying to pull off. But this one, it folds really flat. It folds to about 18.25 inches tall. It's 31 inches wide, and it is 3.75 inches deep. It weighs about 6.5 pounds roughly. And like I said, it holds up to about 50 pounds, and the suggested age is anywhere between 0 to 18 months. So the material is plastic, and I would assume is a silicone, which is that part that kind of folds up. Now it does feature a color change plug, which allows you to tell if the water is too hot or too cold. Their specs actually didn't show what that temperature is that it does the color change to. We went ahead and did that for you guys, so I tested 90 degrees here, as you can see, and you can see that there's minimal but not really a big change. And then we did the next glass at 100 degrees Fahrenheit, as you can see, and that is where we got our significant change. So in between 90 and 100 degrees is where you're going to find your color change, and once it becomes that pale white, that's kind of telling you that it's on the warmer side or it's getting too hot. Now it has silicone sides, that's how it's able to collapse, and then if you go ahead and push the 2 little buttons here on the side, it folds up nice and flat. It comes with a nice little hook, so you can either hang it on a towel rack or hang it on a door rack, or in any case you can kind of slide it into nice little nooks in your bathroom. And that hook actually allows you to kind of air dry it. You can hang it on your towel rack, or you can hang it on a door, anywhere to kind of feature it. But this bathtub is a one-piece design, and it's got a built-in bump in the middle, so that essentially that was designed so then that way your baby wouldn't slip into the deeper water of it. The bottom of your baby just kind of rests right on there, and it's this nice little cozy laying position that they're in. The other side of it is designed for your baby to sit up in, and it still has that little piece that's kind of sticking up there that's supposed to stop them from sliding around. And it's got a nice egg shape, so as your baby grows, you can swap over to the other side and your baby can have a little bit more room to splash around in. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the pros that we found with this bathtub. Now honestly, the part that we really love is that little hook, so you can hang it up, so we can put it behind the door or on a towel rack and it's kind of out of the way. We also loved how flat it folded up, so we could either store it right next to the bathtub, or like I said before, we could hang it up. So another pro is that our little guy has plenty of room to splash around, and it doesn't use up a ton of water, which is great. We don't have to worry about filling up an entire bathtub or an entire sink to kind of do it, and it gives us hands-free, so we can play with him, or we can make sure that he's all scrubbed up and ready to go. Hey, before we move on to the last part of our video here, if you guys like this video so far, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed so you're not missing out on any videos that are coming out with, and make sure you hit that bell. All right, let's move on. So now, unfortunately, we got to hit some of those cons. Okay, so now some of the bad parts is that where Lincoln's head rests on the bathtub, it's a hard plastic, which makes it kind of tough. Worries us a little bit that if he's gonna bonk his head, essentially, is what we kind of worry about. I kind of wish it had like a soft material there, or maybe it was silicone, or even if the bathtub just came with like a nice little pillow, that'd be great. And that little bump in the middle that's supposed to stop him from sliding, it works great as far as that, but now that he's getting older and he's starting to kick more and he's getting a little bit stronger, he's actually kind of pushing himself up and over that thing, so it's kind of in the way in a sense. And I almost wish it was removable if I had to really change anything, or I wish there was a way to kind of make it fold down or get out of the way in some way, because I feel like he's gonna run out of room on this thing. Even if he flips around, he's not going to have a ton of room. He's not going to have the full bath. But that would be my only criticism with this, is I wish that center bump was detachable or foldable or silicone, so you could bend it down, something that you could kind of do with it so it could last a little bit longer with him. Okay, so here are my final thoughts about this bathtub. The Boon Baby Bathtub honestly is a fantastic bathtub. It's a perfect travel bathtub, even though we use it on a daily basis. It's collapsible, which is great because we can store it anywhere that we need. We can hang it up, we can put it under a cabinet, we can slide it in between cabinets, and it's a great travel one. Like, this would be so easy to toss in the car and go if we're gonna go visit some family or we're gonna stay someplace over the weekend. Honestly, besides the couple of minor things that I mentioned, I really can't find any faults with this bathtub. Great construction, good build quality, and overall we're super happy with it. We use it on a daily basis with Lincoln, and he just has a blast with it. Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure that you hit that like button down below, make sure you leave a comment, and hit that bell so you're never missing out on a video. So, I will see you guys next time. Hope you're having a great day. Bye, guys.